Biological materials pose a risk to national security. At Dstl, one of our priorities is to develop technologies that can identify these potential threats. In doing so, we can protect our armed forces and civilian population. Our collaboration with the University of Hertfordshire has resulted in a significant leap in the UK's biosurveillance capabilities. Crucially, we've been able to work together to translate our research beyond the defence arena, maximising its economic impact.
Partnering with Dstl has allowed us to address complex scientific questions. How can we engineer a microsystem that collects airborne particles such as bacteria and viruses? How do we process these particles within a liquid sample so we can rapidly identify them to protect health? Our solutions shape the design of a biodetection system manufactured by Thales and used by Defence to protect British troops overseas. Taking our solutions from the battlefield to the farmer's field, we then worked with industry to develop an early warning crop disease detection system.
Our work with Dstl goes right back to the 1980s when we explored whether techniques we had developed to detect biological particles in water could be used to detect airborne bacteria or spores. It's very satisfying to see 4 decades later our partnership still going from strength to strength. Most recently, our research with Dstl has led to commercial bioaerosol detector instruments being sold worldwide, and this was the subject of one of 3 successful impact case studies that our research group submitted to the latest Research Excellence Framework. This helped the university record the largest rise in impact rankings of any institution in the UK.
Ploughshare's remit is to find new and inspiring uses for government-funded inventions. What is distinctive about the Hertfordshire team is their entrepreneurial mindset. We recently signed a new agreement to bring to market Dstl and Hertfordshire's developed wearable monitors that protect workers in the construction and mining sectors from the respiratory effects of dust exposure.
So for our research to continue to benefit society well into the future, we need to nurture young research talent. And our links with Hertfordshire and other universities have plugged us into the EPSRC Centre for Doctoral Training in Aerosol Science. In turn, this has allowed us to offer placements to the university PhD students.
I came into academia to push the boundaries of what is possible. Working with Hertfordshire and Dstl researchers has given me the confidence and independence to explore my own ideas for improving how we monitor, collect and identify airborne pathogens.
One of our next aims is to investigate the translation of our technologies to infection control in healthcare. An award of close to £1 million from the Wolfson Foundation is upgrading our lab facilities, helping us to explore this exciting new area to develop the biodetection technologies of the future.